Okay, so let's look at some examples. Okay, you should notice that we have seen these type of problems before, right? We got, it's in what type of a form? That's right, slope-intercept form, where it gives us the slope and our intercept. Okay, we should know how to graph that, and we will in a minute. But to review, okay, what are we looking for? We're looking for a solution. We're looking for where these two equations work together to get to an answer. So what is that answer? Where they intersect. So let's see if these two equations intersect each other. Let's take a look. Let's graph this first one. Okay, let's do, I like to identify my parts. I want to make sure that you guys know that. So this is my B. So my B is 1. My slope is -4, or -1/4. My bad. Okay, which one do I plot first? B. On what axis? That's right, the y-intercept. Okay. My slope is -1/4. So which directions do I go? Down, and then which way? To the right. You got it. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right. Okay, we good? I'm going to do one more so that it fills in this area over here. I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to go up 1 and over 4. Okay, we really want to stretch out our dots all the way across the coordinate plane, and you're going to see why in a few minutes. Okay, and then we're just going to go ahead and draw our straight line. Sorry about that. Let me turn it so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. All right, first one, done. Second one, what's our y-intercept? That's 3. And our m is once again, ooh, you should have things going off in your head going, hold up. We have same slope. Well, you're about to see why. +3 on the y-axis, down 1/4, up 1, up 1/4. Okay, oh, you're starting to see it. I'm going to turn my paper again, draw a straight line for you guys. What do you see? Tell me what you see. What is that? Come on now, parallel lines. What is the solution? Will they ever intersect? Will we ever get a solution? Nope. So it's a no solution. Okay. Yeah, what is the symbol? I'm curious if you guys know, what is the solution to a no, or what's the symbol, sorry, to a no solution? It's really nice and easy. It's a 0 with a slash through it. Okay? If you want to use either of those on your homework, and you may see those on your homework, okay, I want you to know what that means. Okay? Easy, right? All right, let's try another example. Let's look at our second example. It is still in slope-intercept form. Yeah, no work, we're good, we can graph this, no issues. Okay, what's our y-intercept in this case? It is what? -4. What is my m? 3/2. Okay, which one do we graph first? Y-intercept. On what axis? On the y, you got it. Okay, so -4 is down here. My slope's positive, so which direction do we have to go? Rise 3, run over 2. That's it. Stand up 3, run over 2. Okay? I'm going to do it one more time. Like I said, I want to completely fill in as many dots as I can on the coordinate plane. So I'm going to go again, up 3, over 2. Okay, I'm going to run out of space, so I'm good there. Let's go ahead and draw our straight line. Okay. All right, done with the first one. Look at the second one. What's our y-intercept? You got it. A 3, slope, -2. I'm going to make it a fraction. I like to know my rise and my run. It's over 1 always. Okay, plot my 3 on the y-axis. Okay, I'm going to go down. Oh, I just gave it away. Okay, it's negative slope, so we are going to go down how many? 2, and run how many? 1 to the right. Okay, I like to continue filling in. Okay, down 2 over 1. Okay, we'll talk about that in a minute. I'm going to keep going, down 2 over 1. Okay, I want you to get into that habit because it may take that many dots to figure out where that intersects. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and draw a straight line. Okay, what did you notice when we did this example? Okay, what happened? Bam, we got a solution. Okay, can you do this on your test? and say, I found it, we're done. No, you can't do that. Sorry, guys. Where is that located? Tell me. What is the x value? What is my y value? Okay, well, what is my x value? It's 2 and -1. Okay, that is the intersection point. We just solved this system. Okay, this point, what we're going to learn later, is if I plug this point into each one of these, they'll both work out. They'll both be equal. If I plug in 2 into x and -1 into y, guess what? Each equation will work out. Okay, I'm actually going to do it because I want you to see what this looks like. Okay, I'm going to plug 2 into x. Since this is the first time you saw in a system, I don't want you to be like, I don't know what you're talking about. So let's just plug everything in and -1 into y. Okay, our 2's are going to cancel out. We're going to 3 minus 4, which is -1. Hey, this works out, right? Checks out. Let's see if this one is going to work. -1 equals -2 times 2 plus 3. -4 plus 3 is -1. We do get -1. Okay, that is the solution. That is the point that's in common in both of these. That's the one that's working together. Okay? All right. Okay, I have a couple more examples, but these are a little bit tricky. Okay, these are already in slope-intercept. I'm going to make you work here in a second. All right, let's take a look at example 3. All right, example 3. What did you notice? What did I accidentally do to you guys? I'm going to make you work. You got it. They're in standard form. Okay, with standard form, can you graph? Sure, you can find intercepts, you can do a table, you can do all that stuff. I find it easier to do what? Put it into slope-intercept form. So how am I going to get, I got to get y by itself, right, in both of those. So let's do this one first. Let's move our x first. Move our x first, so we subtract what? Subtract x from both sides. Okay, so we're left with -y equals, I like to put my x in front, constant in the back. Is y by itself yet? Nope. Divide by -1. So I get y equals negative divided by a negative is a positive. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. Now could I graph that? You got it. Can I graph this one? Y is not by itself. What do I need to get rid of first? Get rid of that x from both sides. Okay, so we get 4y equals -x plus 16. Divide by 4. Get y to equal, I don't like that. I'm going to put a 1 there. Okay, -1 over 4 plus 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now can we graph? Yeah. Let's get it done. Okay. Y-intercept in this case is what? -1. Let's plot that first. What's the slope? 1 over 1. You got it. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. I like to keep going. Down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1. Okay, you're going to find that redundant. Trust me, it'll help you out in the end. Okay? So far, so good. How about this one right here? What's our y-intercept? 4. -1 over 4. So that means what? Down 1 over 4. Down 1 over 4. I was just making sure I was right. Okay? I'm going to go up 1 over 4. Now, you should have saw that I already put a dot there, right? So we got some overlapping going on. So do we have a solution? Okay? Yeah, we sure do. Yeah, where is this located? What's the x value belonging to that? 4. What's the y value belonging to that point? 3. Okay, that's the intersection. That is the solution for the system. Could you plug those in and see if they work out? You go right ahead. I don't got time to do that. Okay, but that's all you get to do there. Okay, last one. All right, example 4. Once again, I'm making you work. Let's get it by itself. Let's get y by itself. What are we going to do? Subtract 2x from both sides. So we get 4y equals -2x plus 8. Okay, divide by 4 through everything. we're going to get y to equal negative 1/2 x, simplify that, plus what? 2. Good job, you guys. Okay, next one. Get y by itself. What do we got to subtract first? Get rid of that x and the number next to it. We got 8y equals negative 4x plus 16. Okay, divide by 8. Through everything, you get y to equal negative 1/2 x. With 16 divided by 8, well, that's 2. Now, I mean, I see what's going on here. I don't know if you see what's going on here. What's going on here? They're exactly the same. Did you see that from the beginning? No? I mean, I can kind of see it, but working it out, you definitely see they're the same. So what's about to happen? Well, we'll see. Okay. Positive 2 is our y-intercept. Negative 1/2 means down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Okay, go ahead and draw your line. Totally missed that last point. Sorry, guys. Once again, positive 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. What just happened? What's going on here? What type of solution is this? With these two equations, they're what? Sitting on top of each other, which is an infinite. Now, just like a no solution, an infinite solution has a symbol, and you're going to see this. I think you guys probably have seen the infinite sign. It's just the sideways 8. Okay, so make your 8 kind of sit on the side. Okay? That's it. All right? So you saw all the different type of examples, slope-intercept form, standard form. I think it's your turn now to go ahead and do some try problems.